Hi, this is Santiago Zapata, and it's been a long time since we did the last unboxing video here in this channel. So it's also been a long time since I received this mechanical keyboard, and it's been standing there in my shelf for too long. Okay, so let's open the box and see what's on it. It's a bit tight, a bit hard to open, but let's go ahead. The backstory behind this keyboard, I saw this on an ad, I believe. No, it was on Twitter. Yeah, it was on Twitter. Or X. Somebody was talking about it, and I said I need this one, but then I checked, and there's two different styles for this. There's the Famicom one, with the gray and red style, and it even has some Japanese characters on the keycaps. And then there's this one, the NES American one. It was a hard choice, but I ended up deciding for this. So well, let's see. So what do we have here? We have the keyboard. Let's take it out. It's on a plastic bag. I really like the size. It's like very compact. I don't think I have had many keyboards that are like short keyboards without a numpad. Actually, I'm currently using a very long Mac keyboard. This is like the longest keyboard you may use. But yeah, so there's the keyboard. Let's open the back, and we have this beautiful gray keyboard with very clicky keycaps. Amazing. So it has these toggles, Bluetooth off or 2.4 gigahertz media volume. I believe this is, I don't know what this is for, star something, 8BitDo. And then you have a short keyboard with these beautiful keycaps. Windows key, B and A, no idea what they are going to be used for, and then the arrow keys. So that's the keyboard itself. And on the back of it, we got these connections for the A, B, X, and Y. And also USB. And what is this? Okay, so this is the actual USB connector. So it has a brick thing here to store it. Doesn't have elevators, but it's very high, so I don't think that they are needed. So pretty neat. That's the keyboard itself. We also have some stuff here. So we have this. No idea what this is. Serial number of my keyboard from 8BitDo. Some stickers. Some instructions. So these are the instructions for the fast mapping. So yeah, I think that's what the star button is for. And then you can configure the actual shortcut that you want for the big buttons. And so what are the big buttons, you may be wondering? Well, these are the big buttons. So for some reason someone decided it would be a good idea to have like some giant buttons that you can press to do some shortcuts. So I guess a lot of people uses them for copy and paste. That is why it comes bundled with these stickers for copy and paste. But in theory, you can use them for anything that you want. So I don't know what I'm gonna be ending up using them for. What else do we have here? There's also some big stickers if you want to use them for your buttons, I guess. I don't think I'm going to be using them, of course. And then there's the manual of the keyboard, instructions manuals. Overall, very nice package with foam. Well, it's a cable to charge it. Very well protected, and I really like it. So we're going to go ahead and connect it and see how it works. Okay, so it was a bit weird configuring the two main buttons, or the two big buttons actually, but only because of how it's labeled here. right? I believe it should not be ABXY. It will be much clearer if it was 1, 2, 3, 4, because basically what it means is that you can connect 4 sets of these things. And I thought I had to switch between A and B to set up the buttons. So that was a bit weird, but well, in the end I managed to. And we're going to do something that really is a bit, I don't know, weird, a weird setup. We're going to use this for the worst possible purpose, I guess, or the best one, I don't know. So we're gonna play Mega Man 4 with this. So let's see how it goes. I already used the keyboard a little bit and it feels really good. I really like how it feels. I mean, for general purpose of writing stuff. But let's see how it works for playing. So we're gonna play some good old Mega Man 4. What happened there? Hold on, I think, well, oh, right, I have some problem here. Let me configure this real quick. So you can see we're playing using the big buttons. This one for jumping and this one for firing. This is Mega Man 4, I believe Mega Man 4. Alright, this was the first Mega Man with the Mega Buster. Okay, so you can, I hope you can listen to the beautiful sounds of the keys. They sound very quick, very clicky, very good. So yes, I really like it so far. I'm going to start using it. It's wireless, it's mechanical, it's not, doesn't have backlight, but that's fine. And it feels really good and it looks great. And yeah, really recommended so far. So this is the 8BitDo retro keyboard, NES style, mechanical. And that's it for today's unboxing. Let me know in the comments if you liked it, what you think about it, if you want it, if you have it already. And I will see you next unboxing video with some cool retro theme or retro stuff. Have a great day today. Remember to subscribe and see you soon.